Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on October 13th and 14th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Navy Birthday. The Navy Birthday is celebrated annually in the United States on October 13th. This day marks the establishment of the Continental Navy during the American Revolutionary War. The Continental Congress established the Continental Navy, which later became the United States Navy, on October 13, 1775. The Navy Birthday is not a public holiday, but it is a day to honor and recognize the men and women who have served, both past and present, in the United States Navy. It's a significant day for the Navy community to reflect on their heritage and the important role the Navy plays in securing the country and its interests. Celebrations typically include ceremonies, parades, and other events and activities, both on naval bases and ships and at other relevant locations, to honor the traditions, history, and heritage of the United States Navy. The day is also marked by speeches, receptions, and other commemorative events celebrating the achievements and history of the naval service. National No Bra Day. National No Bra Day is an informal observance that is reportedly marked on October 13th each year. It is said to be a day when some people choose not to wear a bra as means to encourage breast cancer awareness. The idea behind the day is purportedly to remind women about the importance of breast cancer screening, recognizing the symptoms of breast cancer, and promoting breast health. However, this observance has received criticism and controversy, with some people feeling that it trivializes breast cancer and turns it into a sexualized or sensationalized topic, detracting from the serious nature of the disease and the experiences of those affected by it. Breast Cancer Awareness Month is observed throughout October and includes many officially recognized events and activities focused on raising awareness about breast cancer, educating people about prevention and early detection, and fundraising for breast cancer research, treatment, and care. These recognized efforts generally receive wider support and participation and are more universally respected as earnest and effective means to address the impacts of breast cancer. World Egg Day. World Egg Day is celebrated on the second Friday in October every year. It is a day to recognize the vital role of eggs in feeding people around the world. The day was established by the International Egg Commission in 1996 to help raise awareness of the benefits of eggs and their importance in human nutrition. World Egg Day is an opportunity to reflect on the high-quality protein and essential nutrients that eggs provide. Events held on this day usually aim to educate people about the nutritional benefits of eggs and their role in fighting malnutrition. Activities can include egg recipe competitions, educational seminars, cooking demonstrations, and distribution of educational materials about eggs. As this day falls on the second Friday of October, the specific date will vary from year to year. It is celebrated by egg producers, industry stakeholders, and consumers around the world, with activities and events that emphasize the importance and versatility of eggs in the human diet. National Yorkshire Pudding Day. National Yorkshire Pudding Day is celebrated on the 13th of October every year, predominantly in the United Kingdom. Yorkshire pudding is a classic British dish, traditionally served as a side dish with roast beef and gravy. It's made from a batter consisting of eggs, flour, and milk or water. This day is dedicated to celebrating this iconic British food item and encourages people to cook and enjoy Yorkshire puddings. People might mark the occasion by preparing homemade Yorkshire puddings or enjoying them at a restaurant or pub, possibly sharing their creations, recipes, or experiences on social media. Like many food-themed days, National Yorkshire Pudding Day is more of an informal, culinary observance rather than an official holiday, but it provides an opportunity for enthusiasts to indulge in and celebrate this traditional dish. National M&M Day. National M&M's Day is celebrated annually on October 13th. It's a fun, informal holiday dedicated to celebrating M&Ms, the colorful, button-shaped chocolates with a letter M printed on them, produced by Mars, Incorporated. On National M&M's Day, fans of the candy might celebrate by enjoying some M&Ms, baking with M&Ms, or sharing them with friends and family. People may also share their love for the candy on social media using hashtags like #NationalMamDay. Like many food-related holidays, this day is not officially recognized as a public holiday but serves as a lighthearted reason to enjoy this popular candy. National Dessert Day. National Dessert Day, celebrated annually on October 14th, is a delightful informal holiday that pays homage to the wide array of sweet treats that bring joy to many. From delectable cakes, cookies, and pastries to diverse candies, pies, and other confections, this day is dedicated to indulgence and the enjoyment of desserts. It's a day when enthusiasts of sweets can revel in their favorite desserts, experiment with baking, or explore new dessert recipes. Restaurants, bakeries, and cafes may offer special promotions or introduce new dessert items to commemorate this sweet day, allowing people to explore a variety of scrumptious options. While National Dessert Day is not an official holiday, it is embraced warmly by those who have a sweet tooth, giving them a reason to indulge without guilt. People celebrate by sharing delicious sweets with friends, family, and co-workers, and social media becomes abuzz with pictures and posts of mouthwatering treats, accompanied by hashtags like #National Dessert Day. It's also a perfect opportunity to host or attend dessert-themed events or parties, adding a sprinkle of joy and a dash of sweetness to the day. Whether you prefer homemade delicacies or store-bought goodies, this day is all about savoring the sweet moments and enjoying the diverse world of desserts. National Chess Day. National Chess Day is celebrated annually on the second Saturday of October in the United States. The day is dedicated to celebrating the game of chess, its history, and its contribution to culture and education. Chess is one of the world's oldest and most played board games, known for its ability to combine strategy, tactics, and skill. The observance of National Chess Day began in 1976 when President Gerald Ford recognized the day officially, praising the game for its educational benefits, including the fostering of critical thinking, planning, and decision-making skills. On National Chess Day, enthusiasts of the game may participate in local and online chess tournaments, attend chess-themed events, teach others how to play, or simply enjoy a game of chess with friends or family. Schools, chess clubs, and other organizations might host events or offer resources to promote the game and encourage more people to learn and play chess, highlighting its benefits for cognitive development, problem solving, and concentration. Whether you are a seasoned player or a beginner, National Chess Day is a great opportunity to enjoy and appreciate the game of kings. International African Penguin Awareness Day. International African Penguin Awareness Day is observed annually on the second Saturday in October. This day is dedicated to raising awareness about the conservation needs of the endangered African penguin. African penguins are native to the coastlines of South Africa and Namibia, and they are facing threats due to habitat destruction, climate change, and overfishing, which impacts their food supply. Organizations, zoos, aquariums, and conservationists around the world participate in this day by organizing events, educational programs, and fundraising initiatives aimed at supporting African penguin conservation efforts. The goal is to educate the public about the plight of these penguins and to promote actions and strategies that can help in the conservation of this species. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.